This is Butch, my old man, 19 or 20, and he's getting ready to get a bath. Butch, do you want to get a bath? I didn't think so. Okay, but you gotta get wet. You gotta get wet. I know. Yeah, there comes the water. It's okay. Yes. I know. You like it? You like a bath. Yes, I know. You have to get wet. Now we're gonna have to get your belly wet. I know, yeah. I know. Oh boy, that's okay. I know. It's okay. You're gonna make me choke you, buddy. Push it out and take it out. Yeah. It's gonna slide off there. No. No, you gotta get wet. You gotta get wet. Oh, you gotta get wet all the way through. Yeah, I know. I don't like it. Okay, here we go. There, see?